Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. In video 4, we saw that there were a lot of differences between Ramanuja's understanding of scriptures and what was taught by his teacher Yadava Prakasha. Due to jealousy of Ramanuja's knowledge, Yadava Prakasha tried to kill Ramanuja on the context of going to Ganga Yatra with his students and kill him in some forest. However, while passing through Vindhyaranya, Ramanuja's cousin brother Govinda informed Ramanuja about Yadava Prakasha's plan to kill Ramanuja and told him to leave the group immediately. Under such circumstances, Ramanuja came across a hunter couple who joined him on his journey in the forest. At night, the hunter lady was thirsty, and due to pitch darkness, after some time Ramanuja went in search of a nearby water source or a well. He fetched water in his palm, and by the time he came back, the hunter couple were not there. Not knowing their whereabouts, towards dawn, Ramanuja continued walking and saw a passerby and asked him about the place where he had arrived. To his surprise, Ramanuja had arrived at the town none other than Kanchipuram, and the well where he had fetched water was nearby Varadaambu Perumal temple. Ramanuja felt that the sankalpam of Bhagavan was not only to show him the path to Kanchipuram Perumal temple, but also an indication to Ramanuja to do Tirtha Kainkaryam to the divine couple in that temple. So, Ramanuja started to fetch water from that well known as shaDvaakyaartha and offered to Varadaambu Perumal for Abhishekam and Tiruvaradhanam, and so Ramanuja is called Varadaambu pradaayaka. Ambu is water and Varadaambu pradaayaka is the one who fetched divine water for the Lord Varada. As days passed, since Ramanuja did this Tirtha Kainkaryam with utmost dedication and devotion, he developed a fond, affectionate attachment towards Varadaambu Perumal, also known as Devaraaja Perumal. He worshipped Perumal sincerely and single-mindedly. Hence, Ramanuja is known by the name Devaraaja Archanarata. During this process, Ramanuja came across a devotee of Varadaambu Perumal by name Kanchipurna or Tirukachinambi. He would solely do Alavatta Kainkaryam to the Lord, that is, comforting the Lord by waving a decorative hand-held fan continuously. While being in this service passionately, Kanchipurna developed such an affection with Varadaambu Perumal that the Lord used to actually converse with this devotee. Knowing this special relationship, Ramanuja developed a close friendship with Kanchipurna. As is the saying, birds with same feather fly together. Ramanuja would approach Kanchipurna for discussing several questions on philosophy that raised in his mind. Soon, Ramanuja treated Kanchipurna as his spiritual master. Hence, Ramanuja is known as Kanchipurna Priya sakha, meaning beloved friend of Kanchipurna. Kanchipurna, based on his knowledge, was able to satisfactorily answer most of Ramanuja's questions on several instances. Here, what is noteworthy is that though Kanchipurna was not a Brahmin, he was sincere devotee and servant to the Lord, to the extent that the Lord in Archai, in sculpture form, and the servant who is a human being would converse with each other. Also, Ramanuja considered Kanchipurna as his spiritual teacher, even though Kanchipurna himself opposed this, saying, as per Varnakula Dharmam, he belongs to a lower caste compared to Ramanuja. Even later in life also, Ramanuja considered that to acquire knowledge and to understand the purpose of life, that is, to attain moksha and lead a righteous life, caste of the person should not be a criteria. On his spiritual journey, several questions raised in Ramanuja's mind and wanted answers to them from an authentic source. As usual, Ramanuja approached Tirukachinambi, and without even mentioning the questions, Ramanuja told him to seek answers to them from Devaraaja Perumal. Knowing Ramanuja's intentions, Devaraaja Perumal gave out declarations known as Aru Varthagal, or the 6 sentences, which indicated and guided Ramanuja about his next course of actions. Hence, Ramanuja gets the name Devaraaja krpaalabdha shaDvaakyaartha mahOdadhi. mahOdadhi is vast ocean. So, Devaraaja krpaalabdha shaDvaakyaartha mahOdadhi means one who is the vast ocean of the meanings to the 6 sentences obtained by the grace of Lord Devaraaja Perumal. These 6 sentences form the basics of the philosophy which Ramanuja propounded and spread in the world known as shaDvaakyaartha.
Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.